So I got a quick question for you guys. So why is it 100? And I'm trying to figure out if it needs more compression. Now it's kind of hard. It's actually kind of like a scooter, but actually, I don't know if that's normal. I don't know if I should spend the money on the gaskets and check the insides, or just leave it like that. I'll do it again one more time. Sometimes it's really hard to start. I have to kick it really fast a lot of times with the gas all the way open to get it to start. And then sometimes I'll take the pipe off and it'll be like stuffed full of gas and oil. So I don't know what that could be. I took the carburetor apart, put new pins in, like I said in the last video. So it can't be that. My reed valves are closed, they're touching, they're not bent inwards or nothing. So let me know what you guys think. Quick look at my dirt bike again. Fast.com.